we'll start with the first conscious movement. It's called Sufi Grinds. You will begin circling your upper body clockwise. And today is all about the breath and the breath awareness. So you're breathing through your nose, eyes closed, or that soft gaze. And on the inhale is when you circle forward. On the exhale, when you circle back. And as you're circling your upper body, also, right, circle your pelvis. And circle your belly button around your center column. Circle your sternum too, so that you're really grinding around that central column. And inhale as you move forward. Exhale as you move back. Beginning to connect your breath with the movement, so that your breath becomes your anchor to emotional balance. And then you just switch the direction. And I like using this one first in my practice because this is a grounding practice. This connects you to your root chakra, where you find your safety, your stability, and your sense of belonging. So it's a great way to start the practice. And you can do this just for 1 minute in one direction and 1 minute in the other direction. And you can have I have my phone down here. You can use your phone to time you, or you can just do it as long as it feels good. Beautiful. And then to end this posture, you come upright, spine tall, right up to the middle. You inhale through the nose. You suspend the breath for a few moments. And then you exhale. And you just feel into your inner space. You cultivate that self-awareness with the breath, with the energy. And then the second posture for today is neck rolls. So hands wherever they feel most comfortable to you. They can be here, they can be here, whatever feels good to you. Let that spine be tall again. And then just begin circling your head around your neck. And we'll bring in the breath again. On the inhale, your head moves up and back. And on the exhale, your head moves forward and down. And really let the cheeks relax. Let the forehead relax. All the little muscles around your eyes relax. And you decide which direction you start with. Inhale, head up and back. Exhale, forehead forward and down. Again, breathing through the nose. Do this for 30 seconds on each side, and then let's switch directions, moving in the other direction, and really feel into this movement. Feel into the breath, into every inch and centimeter of your movement. And then to end this one, you let your head float right up to center. You inhale your breath again. You suspend the breath for just a moment. And you exhale. And in between these postures, I invite you to just notice your inner space. You're cultivating that awareness, which is a step towards emotional balance. So rather than rushing from one posture to the next, really feel into what happened in that posture. How do you feel different? How do you feel changed? How did the energy shift in this posture? Just bringing awareness to that inner space. Yay. And those were the 2 postures for the day. Your Sufi Grinds in both directions. I'd say 1 minute each at least. And then your neck rolls in each direction. And I'd say at least 30 seconds in each direction. You get to expand the time as you like to, as you need to, right? Because it's about tuning into your breath and into your inner experience. And some days you're going to want to do that Sufi grind for 3 minutes on each side because it just feels so good. It's what you need in that day. So tune into that. But these are really 2 great postures to start your practice with, to start removing the awareness right from the outside world and start bringing the awareness into your inner space. And that's what this is all about, right? All that emotional balance, bringing it back into your inner space, no matter what happens around you. And there you are, done for today.